Hi everyone, welcome back to this short course to help you upskill your trading ability. In the last session, we mentioned that having a rules-based planned approach to trading the market is an important piece of the puzzle, but it was only part of the big picture when it comes to succeeding over the long term. Equally, if not more important piece that doesn't get the same amount of airtime is about having the right trading mindset. So that's what we're talking about in these 6 bite-sized sessions. You want to be confident in whatever approach you take towards your trading and be able to execute it flawlessly at all times without all the second guessing and the worry. So let's get into it right away. Leading on from session 1, we've got a couple more quotes and exercises to work through here in session 2. If you haven't done session 1 yet, jump back and begin with that first, as this will make a whole lot more sense and follow on much better if you do. So on page 8 of Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas says, "Financial and emotional disasters are common among traders because many of the perspectives, attitudes, and principles that would otherwise make perfect sense and work quite well in our daily lives have the opposite effect in the trading environment. They just don't work." Not knowing this, most traders start their careers with a fundamental lack of understanding of what it means to be a trader, the skills that are involved, and the depth to which of those skills need to be developed. Whoa, that's a powerful quote, right? Basically, he's saying that the skills that help you succeed in everyday life might actually hurt you in the markets. Have you ever considered that? So what do you think of that statement? Do you agree with it or not? Remember, try to keep it a simple yes or no. If you answered no, state what you think the everyday skills that would help people to be consistently peaceful and profitable with their trading without ever being in a state of fear, anger, frustration, anxiety, disappointment, betrayal, or regret would be. You may have heard trading being defined as risk management. Another quote is, "Trading is inherently risky. No trade is guaranteed outcome. Therefore, the possibility of being wrong and losing money is always present." Mark Douglas goes on to make the case that most traders know that they're taking risks when they trade, but only the best traders have also learned to accept and embrace the risk. He sums it up on page 9 and 10 by saying the best traders can put on a trade without the slightest bit of hesitation or conflict, and just as freely and without hesitation or conflict admit it isn't working. In other words, the risk inherent in trading do not cause the best traders to lose their discipline, focus, or sense of confidence. If you're unable to trade without the slightest bit of emotional discomfort, specifically fear, then you have not learned how to accept the risk inherent in trading yet. This is a big problem because to whatever degree you haven't accepted the risk is the same degree to which you'll avoid the risk. Trying to avoid something that's unavoidable will have disastrous effects on your ability to trade successfully. Do you agree with this statement? Yes or no? If no, what do you not agree with? Write down in as much detail as you can what it is that you believe instead about the best traders and accepting risk. You can reject or accept any part of that quote and give your own reasons for doing so. If you don't agree with any part of this statement, it's important that you write it down. See, if you can't accept risk, you'll subconsciously avoid it. And guess what? Avoiding risk in trading is like trying to hold back the tide. It's a recipe for disaster. We'll talk more about this in the summary, so make sure that you complete this exercise and write those things down. All right, traders, that's it for session 2. We covered some powerful concepts from Mark Douglas there and Trading in the Zone, and you've got some introspective exercises to work through. Remember, a strong trading mindset is just as important as your trading analysis and having a solid plan that you stick to at all times. We'll build on this foundation in the next session, so stay tuned. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. Leave your thoughts on today's sessions in the comment below, and if you haven't already, grab a copy of Trading in the Zone. It's a game changer. And feel free to jump into session 3 straight away and keep the momentum going. All right, that's it for session 2. We'll see you in the next session. Bye for now.